I am going to give one of my friends a ride on the S1000. Oh, hi, by the way. How's it, Sugar Lips? So, today is a Saturday, so join me while I go on the ride with them. So we're getting close to him, to his house. He doesn't stay too far off. Hopefully you'll hear the bike from outside approaching. What's up, young G? You guys looking at the bike? You almost buy bikes as you grow up. Oh God, a learner driver. Look at the learner driver. Scracking out. Oh God. These people will knock you over, I'm telling you. These learner drivers, they will take you out, boy. Can anybody guess which area I'm in? Hey, crackhead. You have arrived. Where have I arrived? Fede? What's up? Yeah, no, how to steady killer mine. What's a hala? Okay, so. How's it? Look at that guy fucking peeking over. What's up? The what?
Double R.
Yeah?
My favorite.
Is it? That's dope. Why do you like it so much?
Because I grew up with my father riding bikes.
Okay.
He had a Suzuki 650S, right?
Okay.
And then he had a Honda CBR 99 Fireblade.
Yeah.
And he had a Yamaha R1.
Oh damn. Quite a lot. Yeah. When are you gonna get your own? How's it?
Planning on that. Well, now August I'm getting a Honda BVR 400.
Yeah, no. As soon as you get a bike, you must let me know. We'll take a nice ride one day.
You must just start it.
You wanna? Oh, okay. No stress. Yeah. You like? You can rev a bit, but don't redline.
I won't let it too hard.
You like that? Oh wait. As we climb onto the highway, well, not highway, but leading toward the highway. Little kids trying to jump over the highway. Imagine me coming at an exorbitant speed. What's gonna happen? Not that I advocate speeding, I'm just saying. Okay, yeah, so there's no cops. Usually they sit around here. Yeah, there's a shit ton of noise right now. I'm not even sure if you guys can be able to hear me. Look at there in the horizon. Hey, who needs some cash? Who needs some cash? There we go. Clashless shifting. That's how you do. You blip it. Blip. Ah. Fuck. Where are we gonna park? Ah, off-roader. Nice. Just have a coffee or something. Thanks to s1000rr for these fucking good ass tires. Yo.
Pit stop here at one of the petrol ports. I don't know which petrol port it is, but gonna have some nice hazelnut latte from Mug and Bean. I don't know. Yeah? Jigsaw, you wanna buy a jigsaw? This guy says you wanna buy a jigsaw. It's kind of tricking out with these chicks. It's either you get chicks or you're getting money.
Yeah,
it's impossible to get both. Unless if you're a gigolo or you work for OnlyFans. Ah la la.
Move out of the way, move out of the way! Move out of the way, motherfucker! Hello, motherfucker! What the hell is going on? How was it? Yeah? Wasn't too bad. It's too slow, ne? Awari.
Arene ga etse phela ne re tlhakanye route arene ga overtake we bona se tafita sham
Hey, yeah, de Manyor. Let's not know too much. And that was it. So looks like you had a good time. I know I had a good time. Nice, chill, easy ride. Now time to go home and hopefully